Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this pasta. It's roast vegetables. I'm actually going to cook my vegetables in the air fryer, which makes it even quicker. Really, really beautiful, simple, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Green. Okay, this is really simple and really delicious. So, look, the selection of vegetables that you use is entirely up to you. What I would say are essentials are onions, tomatoes and garlic, but everything else you can swap and change around. I've got some eggplants here, like 3 cups of eggplants, 2 cups of zucchini, courgette or kusa, whatever you call them, about the same of bell peppers and carrots, and then again about the same there of onions that I've sliced up. You can really play around with this, do you know what I mean? Like, the amounts are entirely up to you, and like I say, if you want to get some different veg in there, go for it. What we're going to do is get that in a bowl, get some oil, bit of seasoning, then we're going to cook it. Okay, so I've got my courgette, zucchini, carrots, onions and peppers in. I'm going to get the eggplant in. You can see I've kind of cut it all fairly chunky. 2 to 3 cups of tomatoes. And then the garlic. You can see I've just got some whole cloves of garlic there, like a decent sized head. Again, if you want, put it in chopped. So I'm going to be adding some salt and black pepper. And then I'm going to go for some dried oregano or oregano, whatever you call that. Now, again, I'm using that. If you want, try thyme, try rosemary, try something different. About 200 ml of oil. I'm using an olive oil. And then I'm going to get in there with a spoon and I'm going to give that a little mix up. Now, the way I'm going to cook my vegetables is I'm going to stick it in my air fryer, 180, 15 minutes. If you want, you could pan fry it on a medium heat for maybe sort of, 8 or 10 minutes. Or get it in a roasting tin, get it in the oven, really, really high heat, again, for about 10 or 15 minutes. But yeah, for me, air fryer, back then. So obviously we're going to need some pasta. There's my cooked pasta. That's about 6 cups in total, and as you can see, I'm using rigatoni, but any pasta works. You can go for penne, farfalle, spaghetti, tagliatelle, up to you. Just going for that. Simply what's going to happen is once the vegetables are cooked, we're going to mix that in with the pasta, a couple of other things. It's pretty much done. It's so delicious and easy. So that was 180, 15 minutes in my air fryer. You can see that the vegetables have reduced right down. Very simply, we're going to get our pasta, get it in there. Now I'm going to add, I've got there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. I've got 9 olives, black olives. They're a Kalamata olive. The stone's still in there. Take it out if you want. Now, if you want, run some chopped parsley through this as well. I'm keeping this vegan, but if you don't want it vegan, a cup of grated Parmesan cheese in there would be really nice. Giving it a mix, and we've done it. It's really delicious and simple. And that's it, just plated that up, pop that in the middle of the table. That's going to do 4 or 5 people there. Really simple, really, really delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.